how to install Pandas on your system. Okay, but before then, let's see if Pandas is already in our system or not. So we say pipe list. Then the installation manager of Python will list all the packages that we have so that we go through them. If Pandas is not there, we go ahead to install. So these are the packages that we installed on our version of Python. And remember, I'm using Python, this version that I'm using 3.12, right? Okay, so now we are not seeing Pandas here, so we move ahead to install it. So what do we do to install it? So you come here and do what? Pipe installed. Then you bring the package name, which is what? Pandas, Pandas. So that is Pandas. Then you hit enter. So when you hit enter, what you will have to do is to sit patient and monitor what is going to go on. It is going to install it for you. You see that it says what? Collecting Pandas. So it will take all the necessary packages that will need to be supported with Pandas. After that, it will install it. So when you look at beneath, you will see that installing. You see that installing collected packages of Pandas. So we are waiting for it. When it is done, it will tell us successfully installed, and we will be good. But take note that before you install, you need to download it. So the system itself has done the downloading. What it is now doing to install. So it means that you need internet connection for the system to be able to access the internet and then install it for you. Without internet connection, you wouldn't be able to install what we call Pandas because it works with the internet. Okay, so that is that. We are waiting for it. When it is done, it takes a bit time because installation usually takes time, right? You need to download it and then also what we install, just as we have been doing with the graphical user interface. But this time around, we are doing it using the command line interface. So when you look at this place, we have what we called successfully installed Pandas 3.0.2. And one thing I want you to take note is that usually it downloads what we call the current version of the packages. So anytime that you want to update any of the models or any of the libraries that you install using pipe, you just type the same lesson that I've typed, pipe installed with the library name. It will check if it is already in existence, then it will check for updates for it automatically without difficulty. All right, so thank you very much for following this video. I appreciate you, and I entreat that you take time, you follow and then install it just as I've done it. Thank you very much.